discover how to get more from life as an internet marketer. When you think about the internet marketing lifestyle, what comes to mind? Traveling to amazing destinations all over the world? Waking up at your leisure and only working an hour or two each day? Or sipping cocktails on the beach with your laptop while you check to see how much money you've made? Although life can be that way as an internet marketer, most marketers have a much different lifestyle. Many marketers start out with dreams of freedom and find themselves stuck to their laptops night and day. Instead of a beach, they're stuck hunched over a laptop at a desk. Stressed out, tired, and struggling to get anything done. In fact, one of the big reasons internet marketers don't succeed is because they are not set up to be productive. If you're a new internet marketer, or if you've been around the block a few times and you're not getting the type of results that you want, it's likely because of the way you're approaching your business. The internet lifestyle that everyone dreams about is possible. You can live life on your own terms, and your online business can give you the freedom and quality of life that you always dreamed of, if you know how to set things up the right way. Almost everyone talks about money-making methods, but no one is teaching you how to create an awesome lifestyle while you build your online empire. That is, until now. I've created the ultimate step-by-step guide to living the internet marketing lifestyle. Here's what you'll discover inside. What life could and should be like for internet marketers. The dream of internet marketing and why it can be the ultimate lifestyle for those looking for freedom. The big reasons why almost all internet marketers fail and end up just creating another job for themselves. Why sleep is crucial to your success, and an overview of what it means to have ideal sleep hygiene. How to get to sleep at a normal time each night and get out of bed on time, every time. How to cultivate discipline and use productivity strategies to get more done every single day. Stop staring at a blank screen and wasting time each day, and discover how to separate your day into blocks and jump straight into work. How to improve your productivity with your hardware and equipment. The tools you must have to successfully work on the move. The life of a digital nomad and how to know whether or not that sort of lifestyle is for you. The importance of work-life balance and how to make sure you're not working all the time. A simple method for solving the problem of needing a little more cash. How to charge more money and work less. The power of automation and how to use it to make more money and decrease your workload. Plus a whole lot more. No stones are left unturned inside this step-by-step guide to creating the ultimate internet marketing lifestyle. This guide will change the way you run your business for the better and also change your life. This works for anyone, regardless of whether you're a brand new marketer or you've been doing this a while and you're looking to improve your quality of life. This guide gives you everything you need to live the ultimate internet lifestyle. And the best part is, a lot of the methods to hacking the life of your dreams won't cost you a dime. In fact, you can get started changing your life today with just this guide. The results of these lifestyle improvement hacks come quickly and will potentially last your lifetime. And the best part about this is the price. Although what you'll learn inside can easily improve your life, give you more free time, and boost your income by thousands of dollars, you'll get access to this for a fraction of what I should be charging you. For a very limited time, you can get access to this powerful guide to living the internet marketing lifestyle for less than you'd spend on a night out at the movies. To get started and lock in your special pricing, click the button below. And it gets even better. When you get this now, you'll also get access to some extremely valuable fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1 is a cheat sheet that breaks down the entire guide into some very easy to follow step-by-step processes. This cheat sheet makes it easy to stay focused and improve your lifestyle quickly. Fast action bonus number 2 is a mind map that gives you an overview of every step you need to apply to improve your lifestyle. It's great for those people that need to see it all laid out in a visual format. Fast action bonus number 3 is a resource guide that conveniently lists all of the important tools and resources you need to create the ultimate internet marketing lifestyle. Fast action bonus number 4 is an internet marketing lifestyle infographic that makes it easy to quickly look at an illustrated guide to stay focused and on task. But you don't have to decide if this is right for you today. You'll get a full 30 days to try this out and make sure this is for you. If for any reason you're not 100% satisfied with this powerful guide to creating an amazing internet marketing lifestyle, simply let me know and I'll refund your tiny investment. But please don't sit around and wait. If you come back tomorrow, the price on this may be higher or this guide may not even be available. If you're ready to learn how to work less, make more, and live an amazing life, click the button below to get instant access and get started today.